You open your phone for a few minutes, then suddenly an hour disappears, then another. Then your entire night is gone, and deep down you know it's ruining you. Your focus feels weaker. Your motivation disappears faster. You can't stay disciplined anymore. Even simple tasks feel exhausting. And the worst part? Most people think this is normal now. An entire generation is trapped in an endless cycle of scrolling, consuming, and wasting their potential, while their dreams slowly disappear in the background. But I escaped that cycle, and these 7 habits replace my doom-scrolling addiction completely. 1. Make your phone harder to access. Most people rely on willpower. That's why they fail. Because when your phone is beside you 24/7, your brain will always choose easy dopamine. So instead of trying harder, make scrolling harder. Put your phone across the room while you work. Delete social media from your home screen. Turn off notifications. Leave your phone outside your bedroom before you sleep. Because discipline becomes much easier when distractions aren't constantly attacking your attention. Your environment shapes your habits more than motivation ever will. 2. Replace scrolling with movement. Most people don't realize this, but doom scrolling is often just your brain searching for stimulation. So when you suddenly stop scrolling, your brain feels empty. That's why quitting feels difficult. But movement fixes this. Every time you feel the urge to endlessly scroll, go outside, do push-ups, stretch, run, lift weights. Movement gives your brain healthy dopamine, and unlike scrolling, it actually improves your life afterward. That's why so many disciplined people train consistently, not just for their body, but because movement resets the mind. 3. Protect the first hour of your morning. This habit changed everything for me. Most people wake up and instantly destroy their focus. The first thing they see every morning is notifications, reels, TikToks, messages, distractions. And before their day even starts, their brain is already overstimulated. So stop touching your phone the moment you wake up. Instead, drink water, go outside, journal, read, train, think, because the first hour of your day controls the rest of it. If your morning begins with distraction, your entire day usually follows it. 4. Replace consumption with creation. Doom scrolling turns you into a spectator. You spend hours watching other people win, create, travel, improve, succeed, while your own life stays the same. That's why creating something changes everything. Edit videos, write, learn a skill, draw, build something, study something valuable. Because creators feel fulfilled, consumers stay distracted. And the more you create, the less appealing endless scrolling becomes. 5. Learn to be bored again. This generation is terrified of silence. Every second has to be filled with stimulation, music, videos, scrolling, notifications, constant noise. But focus is built in silence. Your brain needs moments without stimulation to recover. So stop escaping boredom every second of the day. Go for walks without your phone sometimes. Sit alone with your thoughts. Eat without watching videos. Train your brain to slow down again. Because once boredom becomes normal again, your focus starts returning naturally. 6. Make doom scrolling annoying. Most people make distraction too easy, so add friction, log out of apps, delete TikTok during the week, turn your screen black and white, use app timers, remove autoplay. These small changes matter more than you think, because habits are controlled by convenience. And the harder scrolling becomes, the easier discipline becomes. 7. Build a future bigger than your addiction. At the end of the day, the biggest reason people stay addicted to doom scrolling is because they have nothing more exciting to chase. No purpose, no mission, no vision for their future. But once you truly become obsessed with improving your life, wasting hours scrolling starts feeling painful because you realize every hour matters, your future matters, and your potential is too valuable to waste on endless distraction. So if you're ready to become unrecognizable, then click on the video you see on screen and subscribe to Ascend.